Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Yaris rear wiper. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright. Next, carefully examine the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed. Press this tab firmly to disengage the old wiper blade from its secure position on the arm. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once the tab is pressed, you can now slide the old wiper blade completely off the arm. It usually slides along a hook or a specific connector. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was attached, paying attention to its direction and alignment. This will help ensure your new blade is installed correctly. After removal, please dispose of the old blade in an environmentally friendly manner. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or attachment point on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it is securely locked into place. Gently tug on the blade to confirm it is firmly attached and cannot easily come loose. Double-check that it faces the same direction as the old one. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Do not let it snap down, as this could damage the window or the arm. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Observe its operation to ensure it moves smoothly and clears the entire window effectively. Enjoy your improved rear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.